Sandy Creek Park Nature Center here in Athens, Georgia. Wow. Sea turtle. What is it? Huh? You see a turtle? Oh my gosh. Where is he? Cool. There's a little catfish. What did you see over here? Mad dog. What is it? This looks like a saltwater coral reef. Is there any fish in there? I don't see any fish. It looks like live coral. Do you see any fish?
Yeah.
There's one little gopher up there. How does he have the whole tank to himself? What about over here? Oh, there's a big hermit crab. Look at that guy. I'll eat you up. Oh, there's another one. I think it's a sea urchin. Let's go catch the kids. Whoa, what'd they find? What is it?
I think there's anything in this tank, but...
Oh, maybe that's for the something. Let me see over here. Let's go look over here. Uh-oh. Eastern king snake. He must be hiding back there.
It'd be like inside.
Let's go check over here. Salamander. All the animals must be hiding. Frog. Hey, there's a frog. Ribbit. There's a frog. Ribbit. Ooh. Tiger salamander. Wow. And there's another frog. Tree frog. Unbelievable. No fishing. Dadgum, I brought my pole. We catch lots of these guys here in Georgia. If I just had a hook, a bobber, and a worm, these are the kind of fish. Have you caught one of those before?
No.
When we go fishing, those are the kind of fish we catch. Brim. Pretty cool. All right. Is there anything else here we can see? Okay, let's see that. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, you can look under a microscope. Whoa, that's a big fish right there. Nice bluegill.
Yeah.
Oh, is that a bass?
You want to stand up and see? Stand up right here. Stand. There's a big fish in there.
Yeah, just a bunch of lines. Mad Dog is up on the tank, and he's down. What's in there?
Otters.
No way.
They're fake.
They're not fake. Ah! Oh, God. Don't touch him. Don't. Ooh. Wow. What's inside this tree? Wow. Wow. Mad Dog, what is this? This is where they make their caves, I think. Wow. That's pretty cool.
I see a little tree.
We can have a picnic in here. Let's keep going.
Yeah. Let's keep going.
Snails. Oh yeah, we like that. Whoa. I hear snake. Ooh, the rattler.
It's here.
Found here in Georgia, we've got the rattlesnake. Venomous. When you get in his way, you'll hear its rattle of his tail. I mean, stand back warning. You can tell by the shape of his head. It's a diamond. He's very calm right now. Very camouflage here in Georgia. What do you find over
This
here?
is a copperhead.
Is it poisonous?
I don't know. This is a copperhead.
Yeah, copperheads are very poisonous. And they live here too. See how they're camouflaged? I can't even see it. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there.
Oh my God, there it is. See, that's what it looks like in the leaves and the pine straw. You don't even know it's there. And you start walking and people get bit because they'll step on them. And they strike. See how its head's kind of like a triangle too?
Yeah.
It's not even moving. Copperheads probably bite more people than anyone here in the state of Georgia. You see a snake? Those are dangerous.
What's happening to me?
What the devil is in here? It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, this place is close.
Cool. Some hydroponics? What are they growing in here? Okay. Hey, there's some compost. Old fruits and vegetables. That's not compost. Compost?
Dad. Hey, Dad. Look at this. Look. Look,
Wolf
Dad.
spider. There's a wolf spider in here. Arrgh.
Wait, what?
I don't see it. Oh my. Look. What is this? What is this? Tell me about this.
It feels really high.
Whoa. They're making a huge beehive, making all their honey. Wow. Bees are good. Save the bees.
Go, get the Go press the button. Go press the button. Go get it.
All right. Well, that's just a little taste of the nature center. Farm to market. It's a pretty cool place to soil food web. Bacteria, organic matter, fungi, earthworms, beetles, nematodes, moles, plants, birds. Pretty cool, huh?
Dad, I found a corn snake.
What? I think you found a corn snake. You found a corn snake?
Some eggs.
Dad, come here.
Look, some eggs.
That's a black rat snake, and there's
Oh,
a
it's a
corn
black rat
snake.
snake and
There's
a
a-
corn snake in there.
Whoa, what a, there's no way those are the snake eggs, is it?
The one on the bottom.
Oh, he's got his mouth open. Oh, maybe he's just yawning. Maybe he's tired. Wow. Corn snake. Black. Those are good snakes. Oh, they're eating the chicken eggs. That's interesting. Okay.
Chicken eggs.
running around in the dirt.
All right.
Oh, somebody put their soda can up there.
Look, Daddy. Little.
Littering.
How dare they? That's not cool. We'll throw this away.
What?
After everything these people are learning, they're still littering. And that's not cool. All right, we're going to sign off. Clay Nation, any last words?
Subscribe.
Subscribe, baby. Hit the like button. We're new to this, but we're going to go a bunch of cool places, play some cool games, do some cool things. Just be kids. Clayton's 5, his brother's 1.5, Mad Dog. And we're just going to explore the world one day at a time. Smash that subscribe button.